Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, please make sure to go down there and hit the subscribe button because I have Haley back on my channel again. You guys loved her so much last time, so we're doing another video together, and this time we're trying out some treats. Haley has been watching a ton of like foreign snack testing videos, and this company, TryTreats, reached out to me about doing a video with them, and so I said yes, but only if I can do it with my roommate, which they love the idea, and so we are trying out some treats from Germany, and we have no idea what's in the box. We haven't opened it yet. Nope. But, yeah, let's just get started. Dear Veronica, thanks for accepting a box of international snacks from Treats to Try. The link to our website is www.trytreats.com, and we created a coupon code just for your followers, so you can use Veronica Paulina for 15% off your own treat box. You got it? Oh, Germany! Ooh! So it looks like they give you a little card from like the location that you're trying treats from. So on here there's the Neuschwanstein Castle, which I have been to before on a Europe trip a couple years ago. Vlogged it, so if you're interested in that, link is in the description. But it just says, this month's treats come to you from Germany, known for beer, pretzels, and love for chocolate. I don't really want to spoil it, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first snack we are trying is,
I won't look at the rest.
Kinder Bueno. It is a chocolate baton, and yeah, let's just dig right into it. Individually wrapped.
Ooh,
fancy. Whoa! It's like creamy inside.
It's like a Kit Kat with filling.
That's exactly what it tastes like. A hazelnut filling.
Yeah.
Hold on, what does it say on here?
We probably should have read it before.
First thing, Kinder Bueno A+.
Okay.
More chocolate.
Milka with caramel crisp pearls, and it waves. It says
Ooh.
waves on it.
It's half white and half milk chocolate. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. It's like salty caramel. The little balls in it are like crunchy caramel pieces. And then it's just really like high quality milk and white chocolate. Yeah, also very good.
Salty thing next. These are called,
oh my god,
saltlets.
So in Poland we call these paluszki.
Why?
Because paluszki means like fingers, so they're like little fingers.
Are they just like pretzel sticks?
Yeah, but like,
they're long.
yeah, they're like drier than pretzel sticks though. Like,
oh yeah,
they're like really thin and dry. But
I could eat this entire bag.
These are just so satisfying though.
You think it's gonna be like a normal pretzel stick, but they're lighter.
Yeah, they're like super light and airy and just like a little bit drier. They're not like drowning in salt, which is nice. But yeah, huge fan of these.
Kinder chocolate.
This is also by the brand Kinder. Wait, that other thing was by Kinder, right?
Yeah.
Milk flavored filling. Have you ever had these?
No.
Oh my god, you're gonna love them.
What? They're wrapped. This is cool.
This is definitely not my first time having a Kinder, but I'm excited to see what Haley thinks.
This is my first time.
It's like a mini version of the other chocolate that we had, but without the waffle filling.
What's the filling supposed to be?
I think it's just like milk flavored. But yeah, I could literally like chug through like 5 of these in a row.
Yeah, no, I could eat these because it's not just strict chocolate flavor.
It's like balancing out in a way.
Yeah, it's got like this little white part in it. Ooh, it's not gonna focus.
Okay, so far we don't have anything that we didn't like.
Yeah. Next,
Haribo Happy Cola? They look like Lifesaver gummies.
Like, are they hard, like Lifesavers?
No, they're like
Are they
gummy.
chewy? Oh, whoa! The texture of these is so weird.
I know. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, ready? And go. Oh my god, that's so weird. They kind of taste like Coca-Cola, but they also kind of taste like lemon.
The strict, like, syrup of soda. Like without any carbonation or anything.
Yeah, it was definitely like, it wasn't very chewy. It was like a hard gummy bear.
Like a rubbery, like a stale gummy bear. I mean, it wasn't horrible. The aftertaste is kind of nice.
Yeah, it does taste like I just drank a cup of Coca-Cola. Definitely not my favorite though, out of the bunch that we've tried so far.
I know.
Pop sticks. So these look like...
They look like skinny french fries.
So I guess they're like gonna be potato chips.
I was watching a video of like Gal Gadot,
The actress who played Wonder Woman?
Yes, I was like watching her. She was doing a video like similar to this, and I think she ate these as well as like another thing that's in here.
Okay, well I clearly already started, but they taste just like french fries.
Or like original flavored Pringles.
Yep. I mean, they're like a potato chip in the shape of a stick.
Yeah.
Very salty though, but they're good.
They're good.
Highly recommend.
I could eat these all day.
Alright, we are back from a quick momentary break because my camera overheated. But what is next? Fame voor mich chocolade. Which makes me think that it, well, okay, it's chocolate. I don't know what fame voor mich means. Voor mich might be milk. Fame, plain milk chocolate.
This reminds me of the chocolate you get in the cardboard advent calendars.
I don't know if people like buy these individually or if they're sold in packs.
It's like a pack.
But definitely not something I would just reach for on its own, I don't think. Curly! Peanut classic with freshly ground peanuts. So I don't know if these are like chips or if
they look like
they're
like puff corn or like Cheeto Puffs.
Oh, but like peanut flavored? At least tried one of these before.
I like these. These are good. I haven't had this specific
brand
though. These
smell like...
These might be more intense. I don't know yet.
They smell like peanut butter. Are they sweet?
Ah, yes. These are definitely more intense with the flavor than the ones that I've had. Also, these are a little bit more firm. The ones I had were kind of more airy, but...
I don't like these, I don't think.
No? Fine. These are all mine. This is different than the ones I've had.
Yeah, the outside's like covered in, I guess, crushed up peanuts. I don't know. I don't think it's something I'd be able to get used to.
Next. I don't know which one we're gonna try first. We'll go with this one.
Leo. Milka. These look like more
the picture
chocolate bars.
Looks like a Kit Kat.
Also, yeah, this one does look like a Kit Kat.
Different chocolate than Kit Kat.
Mm-hmm. It's almost like more wafery.
Mm-hmm.
No cream filling on this one though.
Last but not least, another thing by
Milka. Milka is just all over Germany. So these are Choco Cows. We're gonna put this back.
Oh, its head is broken. You monster.
What does it taste like? It's like...
No, it tastes like those Polish cookies I was talking to you about with the orange in it, but without the orange.
Okay, she's talking about Delicia. But that is not what these taste like. Because the little cake part of the Delicia is like spongy. This is like dry.
No, I know that this is dry, but the taste, not the texture.
These taste like something else I've had before. It's like a rectangle with like a little chocolate square above it. And then like the little cookie has like these little like ridges around it. I will find a picture on Google and put it up on the screen. It's definitely more animal cracker than it is chocolate.
Which is why I like it more.
Should we pick like a top 3?
Yes.
Of everything that we tried?
Okay. I really like these actually.
The graham cracker?
Yes.
Or animal cracker? I don't really know.
Milka thingies. I liked these, which were bueno. Just because there was so much like chocolate, I think because of that I really liked these just because it was salt.
Those
to
are
kind
really
of
good.
To counteract the sweets. However, I'm also a fan of these peanut ones, so I'd say like these were like a tie.
My top 3 also involves bueno. This was really good. Second place actually goes to Pom Sticks. These were delicious. Super salty, but like so worth it. And then third place goes to my Kinder bars. That is it for this video. Thank you so much to TryTreats for sending us this box. And once again, if you use the code Veronica Paulina on their website, you can get 15% off. There's a link in the description in case you're interested. But other than that, this is gonna be the end of our video. Thank you so much to Haley for doing another video with me. And yeah, that's about everything. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and
smile.
Smile! Okay, bye!